All right, welcome back to geometry. So today, yesterday we did the translations where you just had the vector and it was showing up as an arrow, and you just had to slide the shape and kind of recreate the shape as best as you could. Today we're actually going to be moving things along the vector in a coordinate plane. So the first thing we need to know is that you have your pre-image. And your pre-image is your original shape. So rectangular RECT has vertices -2, -1, all these. So they plotted these points, and this is our pre-image. So RECT. And I'm just going to cover it in red to kind of make you see it a little bit better. So we plotted those points, but then if we notice, the vector was 2, -1. So 2, -1 actually means that we move our x is first, and so we're going to move right 2, and then our y is -1. So look at point E. So this means we're going to move right 2, down 1. So 1, 2, down 1. That's E prime. Look at C. I move right 2, 1, 2, down 1. That's C. T. Right 2, down 1. T prime. R. Right 2, down 1. R prime. And so our shape, our pre-image is the red, and then our image after the translation is in green. So we move the whole shape 2 units to the right and down 1. So we have a couple problems to do. I'm going to do the first 2 with you, and then I'm going to have you guys do the last ones on your own. So quadrilateral T, -3, -8. So if you notice, our graph that they gave us is counting by 2s. So when we have -3, here's -2, -3 is going to be in the middle here, and then down to -8. So it's going to be right here in the middle. So I'm going to plot that point, and I'm going to call that T. All right. -6, 3 is U. So -6. And then to 3. So 2, and then 3 is going to be right here in the middle. And that's going to be U. V is 0, 3. 0, and then 3 is going to be right here in the middle again. And that is V. And W is 3, 0. So 2, 3, 0. And that's W. And I'm going to connect the dots in order of this, in order of the letters. So T goes to U. Oops, that didn't look good. U goes to V. V goes to W. And W goes to T. And now notice our vector is 4, 5. So that means 4 to the right. So right 4, up 5. So I'm going to start with U right here. Right 4, 2, 4, up 5. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is U prime. And then I'm going to do the same thing for V now. So I'm going to go right 4, 2, 4, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is V prime. Now let's do W. I'm going to go right 2, so 1, 2, or right 4 of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 in between 6 and 8, and then up 5. 2, 4, 5, right here in the middle, and that's going to be W prime, and then lastly T prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, right here. And that's going to be T prime. And so now I'm going to draw my lines again. And just a heads up for you guys, if you hold the shift key down as you're drawing the lines, that's how you get the straight lines. And there you go. We have our pre-image and our image. Let's do one more, and then I'll let you guys do the last one on your own. So plot Q, 2, 5. So 2, 2, 4, 5 is right here. So this is Q. R is 7, 1, 2, 4, 6. 7's in between, and 1 is going to be right there. So that is R. And then S is negative 1, 2. So negative 1, 2. Right there. QRS. And it is a triangle. So I'm going to hold the shift key down and I'm going to draw my lines. And now my vector tells me I'm going to go negative 1 in the X is left 1 and down 2. So left 1, down 2, and we'll do this in red. So left 1, down 2. So left 1, down 2. S prime is going to be right here. Q, left 1, down 2. So Q prime is going to be right there in the middle. R, left 1, down 2. So that is R prime. And then I draw my lines again, holding down the shift key. Oh, I messed up on Q. Hold up. Q, left 1 would have been here, down 2 is here in the middle. So that's Q prime. And then R was left 1, down 2, which would be right here still. R prime. So now, so when you're doing the translation, you can always quickly look. And if the shape just doesn't look right, it looks off, then you probably just made a quick mistake with one of the points. So if you look at these two shapes, they're the same exact shape, they're just slid. We just moved them in the Cartesian plane. So you guys are going to do parallelogram ABCD. So the first thing you're going to do, plot your points, A, B, C, and D. And then your vector is 3, 2. So that means right 3. Down 2. So good luck, have fun, and I will be here if you need any help. Thanks, guys.